Okay, Hilti impact driver. It's a very simple one, but very awkward. Tool holder. Tool holder's falling apart, no longer holds the bit. Common problem for any brand, but Hilti, a little bit more difficult. Need to buy a new tool holder kit. This is what you need. Ring up Hilti, quote that number 2150017. This is the Chuck for the SID. Ring them up, get them to send you one of these out. It's just a wee rebuild kit for the wee impact driver. And Hilti is probably the most difficult of the lot to redo, but it's doable if you take your time. Lots of little parts on it. Now, first piece is the wee C-clip sitting down here. Everybody does the same thing. Put it aside, because that one's already there, nothing wrong with it. Leave it as is. This is what the parts breakdown shows you. So this is what the breakdown shows you. 2 steel balls, sleeve over the top, spring, washer, these wee spring holders, and that's as far as you'll probably get. And you'll push and you'll prise and you'll hit and you'll hammer. You will not get them wee springs down properly without difficulty. Even if you lift it and push it and do different things, that does not want to go on. That's as far as you'll get. So this is the way you actually put it together, without causing more damage and without getting too frustrated. And back out again. So, first mistake. Little C-clip. Obviously if this falls apart, that C-clip's going to stay there. Why would Hilti give it to you? They're not giving it to you for free. Take off the old one. Get that out of there. Now, instead of stopping here, this wee sleeve can go the whole way back. Now you put on your spring and your washer and get your first wee paw. Set it on, pull it back a little bit. This is where it gets tricky. Push that on and down. Then get a wee skinny pokey thing. Set that ball on fully. That's that one on. Same on the other side. These wee lips stick up. Slide that on. Steel ball on top. Push it down. And push it home. That's that on. You can put on your wee C-clip on top. Now you can pull your sleeve out, put your last C-clip on. That clips on down there and that wee track. That's it. One tool holder back together. Simple as that. Just do it over a bench, because if you drop them wee steel balls and lose them on the floor, you'll never find them again. Do it somewhere you can have a nice clean space where you can find it, because it can go flying. That's the right way to do it. Don't be sticking a steel tube on top and hitting it with a hammer. You're just going to bend it to form them wee pins inside. It's awkward, but that's how you change it.